Ka ADC jong ka East Ninja Hills District ka kong GN Karpuri MCS mentakas ngito ding kelahir jurip dalade ya ka surok Narpuh syadu umkem. Hak tiga jili jurip kelai kendu bade krenru bar kino alam ke GSC dong nam chem. Bagi pajba ke bedang yasyong ha surok namar ke jimpak hang surok kadang peteng hadu menta. Kumjuru ka kong Karpuri kelai kendu bade krenru baru site engineer jong ka NHAI Usurov Kumar kalau ongru badaladehi kelalap baka surok kelas sniew shaba palat bad om yu idak AA ban maramot eka surok. Habai keren berkino alam ke GSC ke ADC kalong bakane ke jimpak hang surok menta kalakta bad bujing ikiwe ki jaka bad jela ki marjan nambar ki kali kila syuyang da ulany haki benta bahap hak asam halor kan ne uwe ni kino alam ke GSC bad dipu shna ubadiru MDC barim bad uwahe shnong barim jongkarata cera ulong basyua bakin syeme ke negarai kila adapte bas ngutu biang-biang bakate ka surok ka di ubulum ya kayo kakot hari kimpan se ban syeme ke nega senjam namar ka jisha i benya ka sarkar.
Di kawai kalong kami isu long nakaliang jong sa sisi nakaliang jong office ni siya ako tapos kapan naman pagkatila ka jadi kimkang jong kali mo pagkatila siya di lo kalakta maka di interstate mo di kalakta ni kawai ka jelang alam kita di kaniru kami kada sa ADA ka balong kamo kada so kam marwa kitrap maro na siya tayo lang don yang lain. Kisnong siya tayo silang niyos mo bukila ya layo gitu mah. Suyen sa ikro. Long long kabala long kapin buku tang makatakaliyang.
Hindi madam ini hasil ini kani kampo wala nakakatato wala susu bagani ka jay kabulum jong kan napisi bara ko Henry ngimban si ka don tin ka baong ka bansi ka thom ya kasang ade kani iki bo kijing ingat iwe pati jela Henry ngimban ka tu additional no la pula don ka ting kermen ka surok kan biang kan bit no Henry hadi ka tu kan nirman yu bakin kamdon respon ay namar bakam don respon ngi haban simbiang sakawe pati sinjang ban le biang ya kini strike nang ba surok ni yo di madam lagangin beng ya kini strike patba ubabun pat unang ini itu namar kani ke jing strike jong kande ke jing strike jong kirang basno kade ke jing strike jong patba nomor pat
Road is beautiful.
Yes, yes,
Yes.
Actually, the contractor has appointed since 23rd March 2020. We have completed approx 10 kilometer of the stretch with TBM and PC.
Where is that? I don't see
In
any.
Lumsnong area. Okay, 10 kilometer we have covered.
Okay.
And rest one, since the monsoon has arrived earlier, I think,
Yeah.
so the work has hampered due to that. And we, I think next 2 months will continue, the rainy season will continue. So in that one, we will not be able to do the bituminous work, means black. But actually we are, yeah ma'am, but
I don't see anything.
no, I think daily 20 dumpers are consuming. We are consuming 20 dumpers.
Oh, I don't see anything. I'm
ma'am.
telling you. I'm telling. I have traveled by myself
Yes,
just
ma'am,
now.
yes, ma'am.
Being a woman,
Yes.
especially, I'm thinking about the plight of these women here.
Ma'am.
You know how women will be traveling,
No, I
especially
just came.
those who are sick and So I do not see anything. So we have to go jointly.
Yes, yes, ma'am. I'm
You
sure.
have to show me where you have done.
Yes.
Because otherwise, then I'm not.
And this small aggregate, I think it will take 4 days.
4 days.
3 to 4 days, maximum 4 days, but we will try to complete prior to that.
Because DC has specifically instructed me
Yes,
to come here and inspect by myself
yes,
and give a report to him. Okay.
yes.
So as far as my eyes have seen, as far as that I have traveled, I haven't seen anything done.
I think so, you ma'am. 3 to 4 locations where continuously dumpers are coming and dumping all the boulders and all these things, and machinery are there. They are spreading and compacting.
Okay, so you have to show me that
Yes,
one.
yes, yes. While
Okay,
returning,
because
we'll show you. Yeah, while returning, we'll show you.
And like which places, from which place you have started? Now.
No, no. From we have yesterday we have completed up to Mandir area, up to Mandir. But I think 2 to 3.
Up to Mandir?
Yeah.
You have completed?
Yes, yes.
But it's so bad, yeah. I traveled just
No,
now.
because that smoothness cannot be achieved without laying of the blacktop. Only just so that the motorable condition.
You have to do something that will be something that the road that one truck will pass. You should not be a repair which will last only for 2-3 days. Okay.
Ma'am, repairing our major role is not repairing. Anyhow, we are doing
Yes,
that.
yes.
Our work is mainly the restoration.
Main, yes,
DPM
yes,
or
yes.
DC.
No, but that
But for that,
I'll
we are
take it up with your PD or your
we are
project.
talking. We are consulting with them also.
Yes,
Yeah, that's why yesterday I, along with the owner, our owner, all that day we visited.
Yes.
We are submitting them also extra work.
Yes.
We also.
Yes.
But this is not part of our
Yes,
public
yes, yes.
service.
That
That is
is your
problem.
office
That
work.
will-
So anything like that, you please communicate with me. I'll communicate with SRDC. I'll talk with your higher officials also. Okay, so that this matter will be looked into. Okay, but as of now, please do your work. Just the repair work you do, and it should be a repair work that will last at least for this month.
Ya kejing nama niliang disil ngiti par kini porbal de bitha be ki tang bak niliang juki kim king snap ya wat ya disil ngatra kim king re beda ki buram ya sar war jiri kumba ula bitha ki lele andre kim sem lo buram de kata kadau kene kam kede kamram juki kum ku paiba namar kede geris sar paiba ni kum ki bamar ya kejing ngir ngidon ko ha ngo namar paiba de sarkar ngo de kata kadau madam ngi niliang jongi oi kata ka anh kadang kata ka anh mo tang ba ka anh ro kam sem mo nga anh ban penyap ini ki ibadawa lagi jong ko hok telada ka anh ka sa ban pen sitom ini habang idawa lagi jong ko hok ta we are ready kam nele re kata ya bila ka bamang makulam lagu
3 days wherever there is a big potholes, yeah, we are doing the repair work with base we are doing as a boulder and above that one a small aggregate for the motorable road expansion.
And sir, can you give me on the first right the same promise? Do you remember someone said that 3 days they will make it? So what happened with this promise?
Yes,
Before he promised us.
yeah. Pothole has been filled earlier. However, recently we have seen that heavy rainfall has occurred. Due to that one, we are having at various locations landslide has occurred, which ultimately also damaged the road, and that already filled potholes was stopped. No. I think at least some vehicles which are flying has to go other states. So I think we are doing that one repairing work. Okay, and we will complete within 3 days. No, we have reached up to Mandir. Yeah, by doing that repairing the big potholes, and we'll able to reach up
From
to
Mandir up to Malidot within 3 days we will finish.
yeah, big potholes. But
high
between us
drainage.
cannot be done. Okay, due to the rain.